Hello and welcome back to Fun with Canva. This is a week full of working with frames. So again, we're going to look at a frame and an image, and our image is going to be a diver or a swimmer diving into a pool, and that pool will be within the frame. So a couple of things I organized earlier is gadget mockup frame 7 and female swimmer diving into indoor sports swimming pool. So let's place the frame mockup into the image and Denise diver as well. So we'll just duplicate this and move it down, and we'll place the diver into the frame. We'll double click on it and we'll move this over to here. Okay, it's just going to be a simple one, nothing too out of the box, and we'll press done. Now we'll just move this up to here and we'll increase the size of this frame. Okay, roughly to the dimensions there, and what we'll do is we'll reduce the transparency, holding down the control key as we move it across. You can see that it lines up over the top there. Just enlarge it slightly and line it up there. Okay, we'll increase the transparency to 100. We'll right click, we'll go to photo, we'll remove background and just reducing this. You can see that we have a swimmer diving into the pool from outside the frame. Alright, what we can do is I've just added a background color here. We can come over here and you can see that the background color is part of the swimming pool. So we can change that color to anything we like. I think that one pretty much matches in with the water there. Okay, so that's a frame with a swimmer diving into the frame. Pretty basic. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.